That was the internet service provider changing up here the IP. So what was I saying? Nothing is free. Maybe kids get stuff for free, like mobile internet service subscription, but the rest of us, the adults and everybody else, we work somehow. We earn a living for a living and for the commodities. That also includes internet access, and all the data transfers around are paid from our pockets. So if I go online, I want my investment worthwhile. That's the challenge over there. And I want to merge doing business and pleasure, learning, doing business, learning, getting better. I'm done with working just to make a living. In a sense, go to work and go back, and that's all. I want to do more. Maybe I don't appear too old in appearance, but I'm almost 50. I'm referring to that because I've got some experience, I've got some games in my legs, in my feet. I've played ball for quite a while. And when I'm interested, when I'm using the internet and technology, I want to learn from it. And I want my time spent, so time is the currency. And time invested in entertaining education that can be applied later on in life, that's the proper investing. That's how I see it. And to get back to the reason why website, why ads on the website, well, if I'm posting something on the website, if I'm creating content, I need some reimbursement over there. Why free? How free? What? For who? For the big companies to get richer. Where's my part? Where's my cut? That's where the ads on websites come into play. So I was showing that the default implementation of pages presentation of images is outdated, and I need to make out my own. In that sense, I need to post individual image, upload it, post it, and use the implemented functionality of WordPress for the representation, to catalog them and get them from the database and show them in the page. And it will take some manual labor, but it's good. That's good investment. Automation and computers and automation, they're just that's fake manual labor. All smart algorithms, so-called smart algorithms, are manually programmed. So let's say I want to upload the first image. There are two things I need to take in consideration. First thing is that it will take one by one image manual upload, and I'll need to keep a track which one I uploaded and which one is next in a queue. And I can just use the simple folder structure for the assets. And just as I upload one, I move it into that one, so I know when I'm looking at the folder what did I move, without opening any other file, just using the file system to keep track. I won't be doing any modifications on the files themselves. So I'll just use the basic functionality of folder structure to keep track of what's where and when. So for the first image, these images are not perfectly chronologically ordered, which is I don't know, I'm not proud of that, but I'll work with what I get, what I have, with what I get now. Should I let the Sims play? Maybe I'll try that. No, this is keeping me in the zone. At least until I figure out the workflow here. So the first image would be one of these. They in a sense have some names, in their own sense, some file names. And I've used some manual naming convention. At least have a date in a title, so I can sort them alphabetically, because meta for these files are changed, and they don't contain the metadata like date, picture taken, and so on, since they're processed, and in the process their metadata are changed. So I'll start this with this one. So just simple drag and drop like this. Can I have it uploaded, please? Please? Yes? No? No? Dropping files doesn't work this way. I'll just have a peek in the library in case it did got uploaded in the background. No, it didn't. So I need to add an image and upload. Copy this directory path and paste it here. Hit enter, jump into this one and start with this. So what happens now in the WordPress? WordPress creates, in addition, WordPress receives this image upload and creates 3 more versions of the same image, resized, scaled, 3 versions, large, medium and thumbnail. Well, this is the original. And here on the block settings for this image, which is referred in the context of WordPress as a block type of image, it has properties to adjust, to customize the presentation of this image. One of them is size, aspect ratio and resolution, which is size actually. So here we can see thumbnail resolution, medium, large and full size. The settings for media are in the settings in WordPress. It's possible to customize here those sizes for 3 versions, thumbnail, medium and large. I left it by default because they can be customized, but I'll keep it like this because it's standardized for WordPress and it's handy later on. So for the image, for the specific image, upload and post, I want to have best of original. I want the one-to-one original representation of the image, which is not this one. This is a smaller one. Let me see what can I do if I change here the content width. This is still not full, so full width. Is this the original size? But this is large, full size. Okay. And expand and click. So this should allow me to see the image as it is, but still appearing contained in the page, under the WordPress set of styling rules. And zooms it out, so because it's very large. So there is a nice new functionality for images in WordPress, which is expand and click for smaller files. Actually meaning if I select medium and change this around, mobile. Okay, so the image now is showing like this because it's stretched out full width of the page. Wide width, large image wide width. So large means that the image is height width 1024 pixels, which is nice for desktop. And if I hit a preview and this loads, here it is, nice big image. And if I click zoom in, it zooms in, and I click the right button, open new image. Is this the full size? I think it is. So I need to test these details out. So I want to skip the situation when my files and website browsing jumps out of the web pages, like here what I've done. So this URL for this web page is the URL of the file here, and that means I'm viewer site visitor is outside of the website, or well, at least of the HTML, and that kind of breaks the flow and the sense of seamlessness, notion of seamlessness browsing the website. What if I open this image in new tab? Okay, so this is the resized image. This is with this suffix on the image. This means I'm observing the scaled version. So if I click this and open new tab, what am I seeing? So this is the full image. Okay, so what means this image is the version large, which is the large size with this cropped scaled properties, resolution and aspect ratio. While clicking the functionality in the WordPress, click to expand allows browser viewer to website visitor to see the full image version. But again, this is not the full image size. This is just scaled to window of the browser, and that's good because it keeps it fit in the browser window. That's good in a sense. If I open the image like this, well, okay, so there's a now it's fit to screen, and the magnifier icon is enabled, meaning it's still image larger than the browser window, much larger. So what can I do about that? And that is left to that is left too. So there's another trick. If expand to click is enabled, that disables adding a link to the image. So if I say media file, that disables expand to click. So if I preview this, now and click on the image, it doesn't expand, it opens the image in the same window. So I would cite guest visitor website browser. Viewer should go back in the browser to get back in the web page and continue browsing. So there are a few considerations here. And the consideration is how to keep the navigation flow in order in context of the gallery. Because if I publish each photo as its own post, it can be done with pages, but pages are lacking some functionality. I'll try this, implement this with posting images, but I'll need a specialized template for this. Single post will not cut it. Because with specialized template, with a specialized template I can add custom elements to image file posts. That's the thing, and I can try to implement the seamless stick in context navigation for the gallery, for the image files. So if I hit F12 to open developer tools and get this on the mobile, some small mobile, I'll get this type of image. And my usual guiding rule is mobile first. Is this efficient representation on mobile for the image? This is how it would kind of work on mobile. So it requires a few more steps to get the image observed in detail, like in full. And again, I need to go back, navigate back to web page. I'll try implement here, clear the URL and enable the expand on click, and do again a preview. See how it would work on the with expand. View expand in the on mobile. So this is what we get for mobile. Okay, then for this image, is this all I get? Large, expand, what's going on? Hey. Resolution, large, and expand and click. Where are the other options? What's going on? I guess they're changed with wide width settings. So do I get the... okay, so now I'm having... so the align is a bit misleading. Alignment doesn't just mean alignment center, right, left. It also means size, align center, no alignment, meaning content context. A content context, this type of non-alignment none, this is a content width in a sense like paragraphs and so on, which is actually column, and also a breakpoints are triggered at the content aligned with none, means the content will fit the visual column stack as a column on the mobile. So this is a content width, content alignment. And there is another thing I might do is change around, do this trick. This is something interesting. Cover contain, what scale, cover contain. Can I work with this in the mobile view? This might be interesting. Contain, cover, width, height, large, medium, cover contain, classic portrait, square, contain, standard, contain, cover. So there's a bit of cropping. That's what I want to get. I want to, for the image to reveal a bit more detail, like cropped in the image, to provide more detail at first glance. So if I check this bit out, so the image also opens that way and zooms in a little bit. Contain, cover, standard, portrait. How would this work? Because I want to show these details, image details, but it's not possible to scroll around with this click to enlarge. But at least there are some more details here. Is there a center point? Is there a center point for this style? Contain? No. I will not mess around with width and height. Auto should work well. Now what I can do is, in my workflow, I can add a copy of this image just so I get the get the link, create kind of a full resolution link button for the image for the ones who want to see it in a full resolution. So if I copy this and paste, and under this version I say original and say thumbnail, and but not expand on click, but I say center and say attachment page media file. Is that the fact? Media file, and open a new tab. Media file. Yeah. Is the link enabled? Media file, yes. So it means that website visitor can see here this version, and right here below the full size image in case it wants to see it. And there is one more thing I want to do. I want to have the images be like a together with the web page of it to represent. Ooh, this is getting complicated. With this button, this is getting more complicated. I want them to be as a appear like a product of their digital product, and even the page itself open like this, that it speaks out something, it stands on its own. That's the trick, that's the spiel. So this is thumbnail, this is medium, original, square, contain. Oh, okay, there are a few variations I might do. I might play a little bit with this. I'll check around. The streams is actually everything in order. Cool, this is live. Is this okay? Stream finished. Dismiss. Is there another stream going then? There should be another stream over here on YouTube. So this is live now. Open it, please. YouTube is really slacking, working on their streaming dashboard like it's some secondary thing. It's not a big deal for them, streaming. Bam. That is YouTube because I got the restart. That's what happened. I got restarted. What's going on here? Okay, I'm live, and here, what does it say? Playing. Okay. Real time. Time is real time it is. I need to stretch my legs for a moment, be right back. Well, back I'm. So also what I need here is the template and to run a test. I need to run a test because I'll use to build a gallery out of these images, separate posted images, posts, to create a gallery representation. Because this type of image representation is not available in a usual how it's implemented usually in WordPress. And I don't want to specialize a code or develop a plugin at the moment. I'll just use the implemented logic. There I found an article tutorial that's dealing with this, but I don't want to developing a new code, because I'll need to maintain it and do revisions each WordPress update. And for one person team, it will be too much at the moment. I don't have a like a project documentation, elaborate project documentation that would cover those interventions in the code, so I can schedule it sometime down on the roadmap for the future. And this way, if I just keep, it will be future-proof if I just reuse the existing functionality in the WordPress. So what am I doing here? This would be the image, post for this image. That shows a little bit of detail here. And I've changed here the size, preview new tab, just to make sure what's the influence of the thumbnail size on the image. If I center it, okay, so if I tell it to go center, so this is thumbnail center. And here's the deal. I need to publish this image. Publish this post, because I'll use it to build a gallery out of these posts, posts. I'll need to use a query loop, so I'll say photo 1 post, and that will be a category. It requires a category for this. This requires a category, and because that will be the taxonomy, the meta I'll use to filter the content for that query loop. And query loop is a function of WordPress that queries the app storage for the assets using a filter or the search term or the query, specialized query. And so this is photo 1, and I'll say create a category, and I'll say dev tests development. Okay, I'll call it site development. No parent category. And I'll add another category. I'll add a new category, add new category, and say, and I'll say, photo gal. There used to be pose types. Now those are templates that comes with the theme implementation. Pose types. Now they're no more. Those are no more. So photo gallery. Okay, add new gallery. That's it. A new category. That's it. So here it is. That's good. That's good. Test. Experiments. Cool. Like it. Feature image. None at the moment. No comments allowed at the moment. And I say publish. Now I have a plugin that allows me to create duplicates of posts. Now I'll create a post 2 and replace this image. Replace upload, and I upload this image. Cool. And replace this one and upload. Now I will test two things right away. If I say here, review a new tab, what image do I get? I get, okay, the URL is proper URL, that is, and also this image. So this is kind of neat. And what I want to test is I need to for the post. So this post right away has the functionality, the properties applied as a duplicate from the previous one. It's categorized as a photo gallery, and it has the tags also preserved as a duplicate. I'll create the custom name for it and I'll publish it. And the next step is to create a new page. I'll create a new page, but I can use also a new post. Query loops can be implemented in loops, so this will be the photo gal, and here I just add a query loop. Oh, we got mail. What the mail says: we run a YouTube growth service. We increase number of, you know what? You pay me. I'll not pay you for growth. You pay me. I don't buy growth. I grow. So in this I start blank and I say image title date, and in this query loop I specialize it by post type, post page. Okay, so there are post types, collections called by default, their differences, but the plugin can add more. Sticky force page reload and filters. Cool, so I need the taxonomy. And taxonomy means that I'll say yeah. So here in this query loop there are two tricks that can be applied here. This query loop has a in a post template it grabs these photos, but it only has a date and a title, but it doesn't show content. I need a content because this query loop will be a gallery. Because I will use this, so that will be the post content. That's how that would work, and that reveals me the next challenge. The next challenge is query loop. The next challenge is a few settings of off and for post template. Post template. Where is where are the options about is there a specialized element called is there excerpt? Show excerpt or what? Theme post list excerpt. Okay, so so there are a few tricks that can be played here. If I use a feature image here, using feature image, this can get, there are few elements, properties for a post that did I select an excerpt? Yeah, but I've dropped it, who knows where. Needs to go in here. There is no excerpt, but I can do one test. Excerpt in a post is defined. There is a element that defines what is an excerpt. List heading, it's possible to get this working. Pre-formatted table, classic block, verse. Media, no. Design, more. Content before this block will be shown in the excerpt on your archive pages. But it's probably just referring to the this excerpt bit refers to the text. It ignores media files in the post, media elements of the post. This snoring also makes me sleepy. The Sims are gonna go crazy soon. I call them lab Sims. I actually like them, having them in the stream when I'm doing this kind of stuff. Latest post, no, widgets, navigation, site log, site tagline, post list, excerpt, blah blah blah, modify categories, next, read more, comments form. But I'm here, okay, so I'll update this, updating, and what I need is a new tab. Actually, I need in this page, where is this? Okay, here it is. In this page that I'm creating, I need to publish it. That's the thing. So this page can receive current page. I will publish it and view the page. So what do I get? Photo 2, more. Okay, that's like more. One post has a one post's got the more link, and the other one doesn't. That comes from the so this one will also have more. Read more, read more. What's read more? What is read more? What was that? Read more. this is hard. It's like a link. What does it say about this? Real. Read more. Page break. No. Read more. Where is the read more? What does it say about this? Displays a link of a post page or any other type. Huh. Okay, so that's the read more. I don't need this element. Get rid of it. Come on, get rid of it. Okay, delete. Deleted. Update this. Hide the excerpt on the full content page. Okay, so the excerpt. Okay, I need to test this. You go here, and you also go here. Now, the theory is that on this page, so what I'm going to do is have a look. That actually worked well. I like it. I like the sense of this. So what I've done is in a query loop, I've said I think that this WordPress is a little bit confused, because if I refresh this, I can see that only this part of the image, this post content is shown, and it represents the excerpt, but here it says no excerpt found, which is it's trying to identify in this query loop function call, it tries to identify text bit of the post. But in rendering on the front end, it did identify the the excerpt. So if I press more, we can see the full post. So this works well. This is interesting. I like what I'm seeing here. Wow, what's this? Chandrak, thanks for the follow. The notification here got quite late on me here in the Kik activity feed. Or I didn't pay attention, I was into this. I hope you're finding this useful, because it's kind of the workaround for the WordPress. because I want to implement without a plugin a way how to represent photos, create a photo gallery. And there are two more elements here for the posts, If I select set feature image, why are here two images? How come two images? Oh, I've uploaded two images. Oh, that's not efficient. This is the copy, delete. Yeah, I don't want to bloat my WordPress. Set featured image. Yep. So this image is replace. This is the one, and this is replace. This is this one, and this is fire. I need to replace this. Replace Open Media Library, this one. This is the one that should be there. Oh, last time when the fire broke out, I leave this Sims household play on its own without me intervening. And so some events happen over and over again in the game, and last time we had the casualties in a fire. So if I run here an update, and also for this post I add a feature image. It should be this one, and run an update. I'll get on this page. We get the feature image. So here are few things that are to be taken in consideration. Only that this theme adds a overlay color on the featured images. So for the sake of what's sake, there are a few things that I don't like with the grid query loop grid implementation. That is the grid. I don't like how the grid is implemented. Because the grid doesn't stack. Grid doesn't stack properly on the mobile. Maybe I should switch around the rooms, the dining and kitchen cooking. But they do efficiently carried dishes for washing in the kitchen area. This time I'm slacking on this stream with on the show notes because this is a long form stream, and I wanted to I wanted to work on this idea, custom gallery implementation. This query loop in the WordPress is very powerful. It completely unlocks the WordPress, how to work with it. To make good use of query loop, it does require using the, well, either publishing as posts or pages, which still works with query loop, but some kind of taxonomy is required, categories or tags or keywords found in the text or the titles. Now what I want to do is publish few more images. Okay, I've done a duplicate already. Duplicate to duplicate, so it's this will be 4, image 4, and that would be the upload. No, upload. Upload what? Cool, select. So I need to remember to use replace, not to upload another image. And for the post, replace, select the one from the library, and I can publish this. I'm rapidly now publishing few more of the images because I want to build a query loop layout. So this one I need to edit. I guess it's late here where I am, and I'm getting a bit I'm zoning out, losing my focus. I will upload maybe this, and then I'll replace it with one from the media library. And for the post, I will replace for the feature image. So now I have 4. Publish. Yeah, publish. And now in this page that should represent the gallery, I have 4 of them. Oh, it's on the next page. So if I edit this query loop and allow it items per page to be 10 and update, I will have all of them. How can I view this page? Close this. Nice. And coffee is finished. That means getting closer to the end. At least I'll play around with this. So this query loop is like this. This is a custom query loop. And now I will add a new query loop, and I'll try out the query loop. Start blank. Title. No, delete. Query loop. Query loop. Choose. Where's the grid system? Columns. Okay, here's a grid. I see a grid system. Offset image left. Grid. But I actually don't like the grid system. Standard, because I'll use this query loop to actually as a gallery representation, and right out of the box I'll have links to the each image page individual. And also I'll get more web page, more web space real estate on the more ad cell space to add cell for advertising. More real estate. I'm building more real estate for advertisers. While also balancing the representation quality, presentation quality, and user experience. And that's doable. That's possible. Doable with just vanilla WordPress. Now I'll try this. I will try this. I know how the grid works, but I'll try this offset just to see. Okay, so they're using columns here and 2 query loops, and in each query loop I need to query loop. What? Here is on the post template, there is a list or a grid view. Cool, got it, I understand. It's getting to me. I think I'm seeing what's going on here. I remember now. What might just happen is that this may not work well, because this truly will be a list in HTML, and that's something I really don't like. Give me the query loop options here. Can I have those, please? Where is the advanced div? Tralala. Main section. Where are the details? No, I don't want to replace post template. Okay, they use the column. How did they get this column too? Why do these columns stack so weirdly? So this is stack on mobile. $50. And how come this one is off? Off by what? What's offing it? But I need to filter this query loop. Okay, don't inherit. Visibility, filters, taxonomies, photo gallery, and this one also don't inherit, but filter. I've learned from inspecting their generic. Their generic way of doing things. Photo 3, 4, 1. Photo 1. So for what they're doing is items per page. What they do is you offset 2 items per page offset. Is there an offset? No offset. Okay, so here what I should say is 2, and now I'll get 3, 4, 2, 1, and change the order. That's how they get the offset. But a spacer. Oh, just this post template has a spacer in it. Okay, cool, got it. I got it. And on mobile they would stack, but it would just eat up space. So there's a spacer below and here the spacer above. That's the trick. And then everything stacks. But what I don't like with this, oh, tablet is also mobile, that's also stacking. But on desktop it says, okay, breakpoint, wide display, go wide. Cool. What if I say go wide? How would this work on tablet? Again. Well, this is all vertical portrait mode. Okay, I get it. That's one implementation, and now post template grid list. What if I say grid? Okay, I would get these two here and these two here. So it would be this with these. Can I see that? Uh-oh, something broke. Oh, I didn't select preview, I selected the view. So the offset would be like this with the grid view. That's just a foul play on my side. So I can test one more type of query loop. That would be if I choose a grid. Wait, delete grid. So I can also select grid for my query loop. This is items per page, post template, and this is a list. But it's not a list, but it is a list. And this would be and I say four columns, five columns layout. And where are the rows here? Previous page. Okay, okay, I need more images. I need more images to have this working. Okay, then I just create more. I create more. Upload more. Duplicate, it's 5. So up to 10. So this is 5. Replace. I've got these 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. I'll do this. And this I will replace manually. And I don't need to publish this gallery right away. Because I'll use it as a chore. I can just weekly upload a new batch. What I've done before is get on a session on a streak and just publish in a one day all 950 photos right away, and then I will get like a flat generic WordPress gallery. But I didn't like it. I was always feeling like either I'll use a plugin to get this more efficient, or do something like this. And with this block themes implementation, I'll actually like what the WordPress allows to be done. The flexibility, no upload, select. What next? I do next this one. Zaba 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 da. Ooh, this duplicate plugin that allows duplication, provides duplication of posts. It's so practical. This is 6. And doing this manually, it's I don't mind if it will I don't mind doing it like this, because it allows for more better user experience in the end. It provides more refined. And when I completely work out this workflow, it will be so good. Better monetization of the website and more flexibility with custom template for this type of content. Specialized web pages, WordPress web pages without requiring plugin. So it will be properly implemented. Only thing would be the theme change. If theme changes, but it shouldn't change. Theme should not change. Upload, replace upload. This one. I'm missing something. Open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should there be 10 images? Select. And for a post, replace. Take this one. How are you all doing, chats? Yeah, publish. And now with these 10 of the photo posts, I'll also have enough SEO optimization for this type of posts that will make my images library more efficient, discoverability all over. La di este blakitu. Publish, and the last image, that will be the 10. I'm thinking of gallery with the about, I don't know, 10, 5, 4 in a row images in a gallery. Because about 10 images in a gallery in a row in a gallery preview gallery, whatever, thumbnail gallery, it will provide what will be provisioned then there. So now if I refresh this, Okay, this is the published version, and this is this version. 10, 4, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my. Okay, and the lower bit. I've got this in the lower bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this lower bit 5, but query loop go wide. Go wide and also put it in a group which is wide. Is it centered? Why isn't it centered? Group, come on, group centered. Full width center. Okay, preview. I might just delete this grid offset. Preview. So only thing with that doesn't work well with this I might just throw away the feature image. Feature image doesn't work here. Like this. Title I can also throw away. And then I'll be having this. So if I do this or even update it, then I can also view it here. So this would be a gallery page. And I might have even a custom text here. This text can be custom, like full detail image here. Select, click, and I hit update, and then so what do I get here? Oh, why does it say more? What's going on here? Oh, so this is excerpt, and this link is a photo 10, and this is more. Oh, photo 10 more. There are two more. There is one more detail for the posts that have posts that have this posts that have where is it posts that have where the read more separator is used. Those posts have hide the excerpt on the full content page. So if I enable this, what will happen is for photo 10, if I open this image, so I will test both of these links. It's also possible in the gallery view to check. It allows this works. Expand, click to expand image. Now this is like more kind of better user experience, but what we are seeing for the what I'm seeing here for this type of image, it's not showing that that bit is hidden. The bit is hidden. The bit what I mean is for example of this image, full post. So here is the separator, read more, excerpt separator. This is considered in this case the excerpt, so it's not showing that image like here. So this image is an excerpt and this is applied. The excerpt in full post is hidden. And I'm done for now. This is all for now. Only thing is that the feature image is stealing the show. I might keep it. I might publish the pages, these posts with the feature image, but disable it in the template. I like what I'm seeing here, because here I can allow image preview, like more detail, and again provide this, but I might just kill this completely. Or no, I'll see about that. I wish I have already written down these notes. So, well, okay, so for the outro, for anybody who's watching the so what I've done, if you're watching, if you jumped from the beginning to the end, like I usually suggest, what I've done is created a set of posts that are, and a page that reads those posts as a list, to build a custom gallery. That's the thing for now. So I'm building a custom WordPress gallery, completely ignoring the usual implementation for gallery in WordPress, and also ignoring the attachment page type of implementation, like we know from traditional gallery. Where is it? Traditional gallery is like this. Oh, this is, so I need to browse. Okay. Where is it? The original. International. Here it is. So this one. This is how traditional gallery works. I click the file, and this is what we would get, the usual generic WordPress media file page showing like this, and this is just doesn't make sense, because if this is a thumbnail preview for the gallery for images and I click on the image, this page by default without customization always shows the smallest, what is this, medium or small image. Open image new tab. So this is 300 by this is medium, I think medium for the media settings, and this is too small. This is much efficient, more efficient, better user experience. In a sense, if I showcase a gallery like this and provide a link for the specialized page, specific page for the image. This is still development stage. Again, show this and show the full image, and still I got all the links automatically handled by the WordPress. That's what's the knowledge I brought, the value I brought into this stream. Here at the end, revealed whoever was participating, watching along the live stream, saw in detail the thought process, and you at the end just checking out the result. You can see the result and see for yourself, is it worthwhile checking the steps that took to this result. Thank you all for watching. This was better than expected, and it required quite some reassurance on my side, on my own self, to get the stream going through this. And now the outro, but without the show notes. Check out the website for ways to link in the profile, for ways to support if you like what I'm doing here. Help channel content project grow. There are more ways to contribute, donate, or just share, like, support that way. Thank you once again.